Unveiling the delicious world of masala dosa. Unknown facts reveal. Foodies, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the culinary wonders of the world. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets and unknown facts behind one of India's most beloved dishes, masala dosa. Before we dive into the unknown facts, let's quickly revisit the basics. Masala dosa is a savory, crispy pancake made from fermented rice and lentil batter. It originated in South India and has since become a popular street food and restaurant favorite worldwide. Did you know that masala dosa holds a significant place in Indian culture? In many South Indian households, it's a staple breakfast item. Families gather around the table, bonding over the process of spreading the batter, flipping the dosa, and savoring the aroma as it fills the air. The preparation of masala dosa involves skill and technique. The batter, made from a mix of rice and black gram lentils, undergoes a fermentation process that enhances its flavor and makes it light and crispy. Traditionally, the batter is fermented overnight, allowing the dosa to have that distinctive tangy taste. Now, let's dive into the interesting and lesser-known facts about masala dosa. Fact 1. Masala dosa wasn't always filled with potatoes. Originally, dosas were made with just the fermented batter. It was only later that the idea of stuffing them with a flavorful potato filling emerged. Fact 2. The name, masala dosa, comes from the Hindi word, masala, which means a mixture of spices. The dosa's filling, consisting of mashed potatoes cooked with onions, spices, and sometimes even peas, gives it a delectable taste. Fact 3. Masala dosa has various regional variations. In some places, it is served with different chutneys and sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew. The toppings and fillings can also vary, incorporating ingredients like paneer, cheese, or even chicken. Fact 4. Masala dosa has gained international recognition and has become a favorite among food enthusiasts around the globe. Many restaurants have put their unique spin on it, creating fusion dosas with fillings inspired by different cuisines. Fact 5. Masala dosa has even made its way into the Guinness World Records. In 2014, a group of chefs in Karnataka, India, created a gigantic 15.5-meter-long dosa, breaking the previous record. Whether you prefer the classic potato-filled masala dosa or like to experiment with innovative variations, this South Indian delicacy is sure to leave you craving for more. That's all for today, foodies. We hope you enjoyed discovering the unknown facts and fascinating history behind masala dosa. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, happy eating! For more videos, stay with Imagenish.